Morning, folks. Hope you're all doing well. Again, as usual, thanks for stopping by. Henry here from smartmoney.com. So I thought I'll give you a quick update on my Hashflare investment, right, which I've done last, I think it was in November or was it January? Not sure, but we'll find out soon. So I'll just run you through where we're up to. Let me show you. Here's the history. We've started. Let me just see. Go back. Yeah. So this was my first one. This is where we started, right? So I bought a shard 256. I bought 2.3 terahash, which cost me $506, and that's when it was transferred. And from there onwards, it actually I started getting my profits on it, basically. So my payments. So yeah, we've got some good returns, but this is when Bitcoin was fairly strong, right? So my return on there was 26. My payout there £26 is $26.40, which is mega. I think that was the biggest ever. That is when Bitcoin really shot through the roof then, and then it came down 30s over 12, and then to $20. Yeah, it went up a bit, 660. There it went up 660 as well. So this is just the basically returns that I was getting. So here you can see 440, 660. All right, so what I basically reinvested on that. So if we move up here, right, so that just shows you the number of contracts that I've been purchasing. So as you have started off at 2.3 terahash, right, and so that's my latest reinvestment, which I reinvest 220. Let's see where. So here it is. So here's my payouts. That's the amount. So that's my balance. That's the actual payout. Now this is obviously linked directly to the performance of Bitcoin, and as you all are probably aware of, that Bitcoin is I think it hovers around 8,000 now, between 7 and 8,000. So payouts, which means obviously it will increase mining difficulty, etc., etc. Right? But so far, I'm happy with the progress. I'm happy with the performances. It's obviously relative to what Bitcoin is doing. So I'm now on 3.0 terahash. Right? This is basically what my revenue forecast is there. Obviously, because Bitcoin has dropped. This is what my payouts and my at the end of the year as it stands. Obviously, I'm confident that Hashflare would be not Hashflare, Bitcoin would rise again, which will then increase my my revenue forecast there. Right. So just a quick one, just to give you an update on how that is going and how things are looking. As I say, so far I'm happy with it. I only invested a small amount to play around with it, and it's performing well. So basically, just to in summary, I bought SHAF 256, right? That was in November, I think it was, and at 2.3 terahash, and I'm on 3.0 terahash now, and that's just continuing to run in the background for me. Right, yeah, and that's it. Quick update. And as always, if you're interested in all of these, please do your homework. Please check it out. I'm no financial advisor, and so I'm just literally putting my money where I think it might grow, and play around with that. So you have to do your own homework or your own due diligence to make sure that these things are suitable for you and that you like it. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and as you always, please like, subscribe, and if you have any comments, let me know. Again, thanks for watching. henry@smartmoney.com. As usual, as I say, be smart with your money today and have a better tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Cheers.